How to scan Alight Motion QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily scan Alight Motion QR code. So if you also have an such particular Alight Motion QR code and if you want to scan it, then here's what you need to do. So first thing, so easy process is you can just head over to your Google, and once you're inside here, just tap on this Google Lens. As you can see, this icon over here right next to microphone. So just tap on that, and once you tap on that, you just have to click or open your gallery section and simply choose the photo that is which consists of your QR code. It will automatically open that particular link for that QR code. You can just copy the URL and paste it over to other social media platform or your browser, or you can just tap on this website button which will automatically take you to the link in which you have opened from your QR code, and you can just tap on this import button to actually use that particular link just like this. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.